The initial screen asks us to enter the width and height of the wall in feet. We're going to enter 20 feet wide and 40 feet high. The app then uses a sheet size, which is 62 by 192 right now, and a system size, which is set at 2 inches per side, and then creates 3 panel shapes. From left to right, they are the vertical rectangle, the horizontal rectangle, and then the square. For each of these 3 shapes, it then creates a large, medium, and small size from top to bottom. The exact measurements of each panel are based on the optimal use of the ACM sheet. Each of these 9 panels is then laid out onto the wall, given a certain layout formula. In this case, there are 2 layout formulas, grid and staggered. By selecting a sized shape in a given layout, we can see the rendering of the wall covered in this panel. I'm going to select the center shape, the medium horizontal rectangle. The medium horizontal rectangle panels are the main central panels, and the layout formula, the grid, automatically created the border panels and has determined their sizes as well. By tapping on the rendering, we can see a quick report of the material usage needed to create these panels. The number of sheets and the percentage of waste are shown, and the algorithm displays any difference in using a directional or non-directional finish. Another tap dismisses the material usage so that you can see the rendering more clearly. Pressing the back button will return you to the panel and size shape selection. If I then scroll down to the staggered layout panels and choose the same panel shape and size, medium horizontal rectangle, I see the rendered results of a staggered layout. Let's look at a few other layouts and panel shapes and sizes. We're going to choose the large square, which is in the top right in the staggered layout. There it is in the grid layout. Let's change the dimensions of our wall from 20 feet wide to 200 feet wide. And then let's look at the medium horizontal rectangle grid layout again. The image is very small in order to fit the 200 feet dimension, and so we can use the iOS pinch gesture to zoom in and pan around the image to more clearly see the design. Additional panel shapes and sizes can be easily made to extend the options. Also, additional layouts can be created to use all of the panel shapes and sizes, giving even more options.